Hi everyone, it's Christian from Poppy Avenue Clean Beauty Bar, and today I'm going to show you how to be the ultimate host and how to host your own masking party for your loved ones. So let's get started. I'm going to set the table with some flowers. I'm always a little extra, and I feel like fresh flowers just really do the trick. I usually like to go to my local grocery shop, grab some flowers, and arrange them myself just to make it extra special. Next, you're gonna need some large bowls. Not all of us can be mess-free, and large bowls are super handy. Also, I like to add small bowls and masking brushes to make the experience even more enjoyable. Plus, it's gonna make it super easy to mix up those masks, and everyone can go at their own pace. So I also added some towels, a hand towel in everybody's bowl, some mirrors so that you can see what you're doing, and now the table is looking really set and inviting. I feel like this just makes it look so fun and a place that you can really sit down and enjoy each other's company. The last finishing touches that we're going to add is the sheet mask in the bowls, so it looks really fun and now everybody knows what they're doing. Don't forget to pop your favorite beverage, whether that's wine, tea, any kind of mocktail to make the experience even more exciting. Also, don't forget to light those candles, make it a warm and ambianced experience. And now our table is looking set. So sit down, my dear, enjoy a glass of wine, and enjoy all of your loved ones' company. You've honestly created a super special experience. The only thing you need to do is snag our kit online or come in store and get your masking essentials. You can also follow our video tutorial on how to do the Poppy DIY mask kit at home, so that you can know how to take your guests through the experience just like we do in stores. We have a whole video on how to do the experience at home for the ultimate facial, and your guests are going to leave with the most glowing skin. So everyone's going to love you, and everyone's going to think that this is a super special experience. So cheers. Grab that kit online and set up the table for the holidays, birthdays, celebrations, or just because. I hope this inspires you to add some self-care to your loved one's next gathering. But if you don't want to put in all the effort and you're local, you can actually book this experience in our clean beauty store, and we would love to set the table and do all the work for you and let you guys enjoy this experience. So we hope you guys have a wonderful day. We'll see you in our next video.